How to add Zelle to your banking applications. To add Zelle to your banking app, first of all, open a mobile banking app and log in into your account with your registered email and password. From the main menu, look for Send Money, Transfers, or Zelle. The exact wording may vary by bank. If you haven't enrolled yet, tap Get Started and review the terms. Enter your US mobile number or email address and link it to your checking account. This allows you to send and receive money directly to your bank. Once enrolled, you can send money to friends, family, or businesses using the email or mobile number. You'll also be able to receive funds directly into your bank account without needing a separate Zelle app. Adding Zelle to your banking app keeps your transaction fast, secure, and convenient, all in one place. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to add Zelle to your banking application. If you guys have any issues regarding Zelle application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.